All the little things with big struggles. Since you're here, I'm assuming that you've gone through all the previous modules that explain all the basics about your toddler's brain, behavior, and the tools you need for managing and preventing tantrums. Because in this module, I'm going to build upon those concepts and help you put into practice everything you've learned so far. And I'm going to handhold you to decode the most common toddler behaviors and struggles. So, this module is all about the nitty gritty little things which tend to become big struggles, like brushing, bathing, screen time, separation anxiety, screaming, sharing, and so on. Please know that this module is going to be very to the point. So, if you feel you're not understanding something like what's Ben, or what's the pause sequence, or the calm response, it might mean that you need to watch or revisit the concepts from the previous modules. As you go through this module, you can pick and watch the lessons that talk about the toddler behaviors you're struggling with. You need not necessarily go in order. Each lesson is standalone and gives you everything you need to know about that particular behavior with clear action points on what to do, what not to do, and the gentle discipline tools you'll need highlighted as pointers here below so that you can manage these typical toddler behaviors with ease and confidence. And here's the most important thing I want to tell you. I'm here as your coach and not a crutch. So I don't want you to be ever dependent on me or some other expert to understand your own child. And I don't want you to fluster and feel helpless when a new challenging situation comes up for you with your toddler, which you definitely will. That's why, before you deep dive into the individual behaviors, I want to empower you with the overall discipline approach that I will use and which you can use for any and every situation that you find yourself in. So that going forward, you can start to decode your toddler's unique behaviors yourself and come up with gentle solutions based on the tools you're learning in this course all by yourself. So here it is, our gentle discipline approach. We are going to approach every toddler behavior by asking three simple and fundamental questions. We start with why. Why does or did my child behave this way? Here's where we ask Ben to explore the hidden emotions and needs beneath the behavior. This is where we completely understand the situation and possibly arrive at the root cause, which we will try to address so that the behavior takes care of itself. Then we set our discipline goals. We begin with the end in mind. We ask, what do I want to teach and achieve for myself and my child now and in the long term? As you've seen in this course, a short term view of getting rid of the behavior or getting your child to obey instantly is helpful only in the short term. The methods that you might be tempted to use for your short term objective of instant obedience or compliance, like threatening, bribing, punishment, etc., have tragic long term consequences on your child's mental and emotional development. That's why, by asking this question, we will clarify our thought process about what is it that we want to achieve now and in the long term. When we are clear about our discipline goal, we will be able to find the necessary gentle discipline tools that will help us get there. So we begin with the end in mind and set clear short term and long term discipline goals for the behavior we're struggling with. Lastly, we ask how. How can I best manage this situation to achieve my discipline goals? Here's where, for every challenging behavior, I will lay out the gentle discipline tools that you can use, along with clear action points on what to do, what to say in those situations. I will also explain the don'ts, what you should not do, which is equally important. And in some places, wherever relevant, I'll share ways to prevent future problems and also tell you what worked for me and my daughter when we struggled with that behavior. So, in essence, to manage any and every toddler behavior, we first wear our gardener hat and understand the root cause of our child's behavior by asking why. Then we wear our calm, confident coach hat. We set goals for ourselves and our child. Then we create a clear action plan to achieve those goals. Despite doing everything right, you might find yourself in the midst of tantrums and meltdowns. They are an inevitable part of your toddler growing up. That's when you'll reach for your Captain Cool hat and sail your way through with a pause. I'm sure it's clear this why, what, how thought process isn't something you can do in the moment when you're faced with a challenging behavior, though over time with practice you might be able to. But as a beginner on the gentle parenting path, you will need to learn and think through beforehand. so that you feel well equipped and confident to handle the behavior in real life. The best way to gain mastery with this gentle discipline approach would be this. Say you're watching my video on separation anxiety. When I ask the question, why is my child behaving like this? Pause the video and think and jot down for yourself your analysis of the hidden emotions and needs. Then watch what I have to say and fill in the gaps if any. Similarly, when I ask what do we want to teach and achieve now and later, pause the video, think and jot down for yourself what are your short term and long term discipline goals for this situation. And finally, when I ask how can we best manage this situation, again pause and jot down the discipline tools you think would be effective in this situation. And then watch what I have to say. This is called active learning, where you and your brain is actively involved trying to apply the concepts you've learned along with the teacher. And it is a proven method, one of the best and the quickest ways to gain mastery in anything, rather than when you're just passively watching or listening to the instructor. So do give it a try. Before you go, here's one last crucial point you need to remember. In all the videos that follow, you will receive a whole bunch of ideas that are based in psychology and gentle parenting principles. There is absolutely no doubt about the fact whether these ideas work. What's more important for you is to learn how does it work for your unique child. If something does not work for you as expected, think back. What happened? Why didn't it work for me? Did I miss something? Learn from that experience, adapt your ways, and try again. Remember, do, observe, adapt. Your goal must not be to make things work or to get rid of some behavior. Your goal must be to deeply understand your child and learn ways to support him or her through those difficult behaviors. It's not an easy task, and that's why I'm here to give you all the help you need. So go for it, my friend. You are now free to jump across and learn about the toddler behaviors that are a major struggle for you right now. I'm waiting for you there with a clear action plan that will empower you with the peaceful confidence you need to support your child and win your way through that behavior. See you there.